Oh, how cute. Do you have any idea where I'm at? That's right, I'm at Motha's house. That used to be her doll when she was a little baby. It's a China doll, and I think it has a crack on it somewhere. She doesn't like to play with it very much. She just lets it sit over here, minding her own business, watching the world go by. Well, I'm at Motha's. I'm here on a mission. I've got to take her to the dentist tomorrow. And I got here today and I thought, what can I do this afternoon before taking her out to dinner? And guess where we're going to go for dinner? Place that I don't know if you've ever heard of, Spaghetti Factory. And if you have a spaghetti factory fairly close to you, get the Motha. I always get the Motha when I go to Spaghetti Factory. I've never found it anyplace else except Spaghetti Factory. I don't know why it is. Well, here I am in her bedroom. This is where I'm staying for the next couple nights, and this ceiling fan gives me the fits. Whenever Mommy and I visit here, it clicks. Now, I haven't turned it on just yet. I'm going to turn it on now. I've got my little remote control. It's from Hampton Bay, by the way. Hampton Bay. And let's just turn this thing on. And I got it on medium right now, and it clicks. And I'm going to see if it's clicking. Every time we come here, after a few minutes, it kind of clicks. And at night, if I turn it on fast, it won't click. But if I have it on slow, it's not high enough for Mommy to sleep with. She likes to have it kind of on medium. And you see it's wobbling too. Not hearing it click yet. I was going to pull this thing apart to see if I could fix the clicking. Oh, yeah, I know it's going to click. Give it a minute here. Click, click. I'm not hearing it yet. It takes a few minutes for it to warm up. I was going to start it and see. Okay, I'm hearing it now. Do you hear it? Click, 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 click. Just so happens the air conditioner just turned on. Dabbity nabbit. I'm listening for it. Oh, good Lord, come on. Now that I'm making a video of it, you tell me it's not going to click? Okay, I'm going to shut this video off. Then I'm going to turn it back on when it starts clicking. I know it's going to start clicking. Okay? I knew it wasn't going to fail me. I can hear it clicking. I'm going to take you up there on my little giant ladder. See if you can hear it. Hear that clicking? Click, 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 click. And this fan has only been on about 10-15 minutes, but trust me, when I go to sleep, within 10-15 minutes down here, it gets even louder after a while. And see, right now I got it on medium. You can hear it click, but if I turn it on high, it's going a little bit faster, so the wobble is just a hair smaller. Usually on high, if something's clicking, it gets even worse. Okay, but nothing. Now I'm going to turn it on low. Okay, and again, let's just listen here. See, it's starting to click, but now it's going so slow that it's not clicking. Because see the bass here? It's not wobbly. Now, listen to this when I turn it on medium. It's gonna go here in a minute. Listen to that thing. You can see how much it wobbles. And somehow that is making it click. The wobbling. How am I gonna fix that? Well, that's what this video is about. If you want to keep watching, I'll make every attempt to make that stop wobbling, and then that clicking is probably going to stop. And probably I scrounged up some tools in my mother's garage. Phillips screwdriver, a standard screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. I don't know. I think with the combination of that, I can get this to stop wobbling, and if I can get it to stop wobbling, then the clicking will probably stop. And this has been a nuisance every time Mommy and I come here to visit Motha. In the middle of the night, click, 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 wakes me up. Hard to go back to sleep. Because trust me, it will start clicking more monotonous if I just left it on here for a while. But you heard how it did sound there for a second. That's how it sounds all night on the medium speed, because slow is not enough air for Mommy. High is too much for me. And so she's compromised having it be okay for me to leave this on medium. And this is on medium right now. And you can hear it clicking, but that click will get louder if I just left it on for about an hour or so. And then it would start clicking more. Okay? So if you want to watch this particular video, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try my best. And see, it was over the bed, but because I've got my little giant ladder here to help me, where does it say little giant? It says it somewhere. Geez, I thought it said it on the side of here somewhere. Man, I'm pretty sure it's little giant. This is called Wing, made in USA. Sorry about that. It's not the little giant, but it's something like it, okay? And because I was able to get it up so high, I just have it kind of squaddled, if that's such a word, over the side of here so I can get up there. Now I installed this ceiling fan for my mother and my pops, when they first moved in here, maybe 12 years ago, and everything was fine. And I know, I'm hoping that I can get it to stop. I'm pretty sure, I think I know what it is. I mean, it could be 3 different things, so that's why I want you to watch this particular video, and hopefully you can fix your own if it's clicking like this, because if I can't fix it, and if it keeps clicking, then I may be forced to just take this thing down and go buy a new one and say phooey on this, because I can't fix the clicking, that I'm just going to throw it away. But I don't think I'm going to have to do that, okay? Stick around and I'll show you the different steps that I go about checking on any ceiling fan. I don't care what brand it is. This happens to be a Hampton Bay, okay? And it was just a little handheld device here, and you're like, how do you make that work for that? Well, there's just a light switch over on the wall, and when they moved in, there was just a blank plate up there. That way you could either put a light fixture up there and have it controlled by the light switch, or you can put a ceiling fan. You put a ceiling fan up there, and if it's just controlled by a light switch, see, they got 2 light switches over here. And I'll bet you it's this one. I turn that, that goes off. You see that?